Hold on as we jump through time to the modern era. Holocaust happened in Romania too, and it affected over 300,000 people. To know more, watch until the end. Let's start from the beginning. In the early 20th century, Romania was home to a vibrant and diverse Jewish community, contributing to the nation's cultural and economic tapestry. However, the dark chapters of World War II cast a sinister shadow over this harmony, as Romania, under the rule of Marshal Ion Antonescu, became entangled in the horrors of the Holocaust. As Romania entered an alliance with Nazi Germany in 1940, Marshal Ion Antonescu rose to power. His fascist regime initiated a series of anti-Semitic measures, including the deprivation of civil rights for Jewish citizens. These ominous actions set the stage for a tragedy that would unfold with devastating consequences. The rise of Ion Antonescu marked a turning point for Romania. The alliance with Nazi Germany wasn't merely political, it became an ideological embrace of anti-Semitism. Discriminatory laws were enacted, stripping Jewish citizens of their rights and subjecting them to persecution. The ominous prelude to the tragedy of the Holocaust was underway. As the war progressed, the Romanian government unleashed violent pogroms, particularly in Bessarabia and northern Bukovina. Thousands of Jews were brutally murdered, and many more were subjected to forced labor and deportations. The horrors of the Holocaust were becoming painfully evident on Romanian soil. The pogroms that swept through Bessarabia and northern Bukovina were acts of unspeakable brutality. Innocent lives were lost, families torn apart, and communities shattered. The grim reality of forced labor and deportations added another layer of suffering to an already tragic narrative. Romania's complicity in these atrocities left an indelible mark on the nation's history. In 1941, the infamous Odessa massacre took place, where thousands of Jews, accused of being Soviet sympathizers, were executed. This marked the prelude to a much graver chapter, Transnistria. A region under Romanian control, it became a nightmare for countless Jews who faced starvation, disease, and systematic extermination in concentration camps. The Odessa massacre was a dark precursor to the unfolding tragedy in Transnistria. As Romania extended its influence, the cruelty reached unprecedented levels. Transnistria became synonymous with suffering, as Jewish communities faced not only the horrors of extermination but also the harsh realities of starvation and disease. The haunting images of this period are a stark reminder of the depths humanity can descend in times of war. Romania actively collaborated with Nazi Germany in implementing the final solution. The infamous death trains transported Jewish victims to extermination camps in German-occupied territories. The brutality of this collaboration stained Romania's wartime history. The collaboration between Romania and Nazi Germany went beyond ideological alignment. It involved active participation in the implementation of the final solution. The death trains were a macabre symbol of this collaboration, transporting thousands to their tragic fate. Romania's involvement in the machinery of genocide is a painful aspect of history that demands examination and remembrance. As the war drew to a close, the post-war reckoning began. War crimes trials held in Romania sought justice for those responsible. Today, memorials and museums stand as solemn reminders of the lives lost and the collective responsibility to remember the dark chapters of the Holocaust in Romania. The post-war period brought about a reckoning for Romania. War crimes trials aimed to hold individuals accountable for their roles in the Holocaust. The pursuit of justice, however, was accompanied by the somber task of remembering. Contemporary memorials and museums stand as testimonials to the lives lost, ensuring that the lessons of this dark chapter resonate through generations. Romania's journey towards remembrance is ongoing, emphasizing the importance of acknowledging the past to build a more tolerant and compassionate future. While the Holocaust in Romania is synonymous with unspeakable horror, it's crucial to acknowledge the acts of resistance and the courage of those who stood against the tide of oppression. From brave individuals who hid Jews to those who spoke out against injustice, their stories are beacons of light amid the darkness. Some earned the title righteous among the nations for their heroic deeds, reminding us that even in the bleakest times, humanity can shine. As we explore the Holocaust in Romania, we must also highlight the remarkable acts of resistance that took place. Ordinary individuals displayed extraordinary courage, often risking their own lives to save others. The title Righteous Among the Nations, bestowed by Yad Vashem, recognizes these unsung heroes. Their stories serve as powerful reminders of resilience, compassion, and the enduring spirit of humanity in the face of adversity. As World War II came to an end, survivors faced the daunting task of rebuilding their shattered lives and communities. Displaced persons camps became temporary homes, and families sought to reunite amidst the devastation. The aftermath of the Holocaust in Romania marked a period of profound challenges and resilience as survivors navigated the path to recovery. The aftermath of the Holocaust in Romania wasn't just the end of a chapter, it was the beginning of a journey towards rebuilding. Survivors, many of whom had lost everything, faced the Herculean task of piecing their lives back together. Displaced persons camps, both in Romania and beyond, became symbols of hope and survival. The resilience of individuals and communities during this period is a testament to the indomitable human spirit. As the years passed, the importance of learning from the Holocaust became increasingly evident. Education emerged as a powerful tool for fostering understanding, tolerance, and prevention of future atrocities. Today, numerous initiatives and educational programs in Romania and around the world aim to ensure that the lessons of the Holocaust are not forgotten and that history serves as a guide for a more compassionate future. The legacy of the Holocaust demands not only remembrance but active engagement in education. Recognizing this, various initiatives have emerged to ensure that the stories of the Holocaust in Romania are woven into the fabric of education. Through museums, memorial sites, and educational programs, efforts are underway to impart the historical realities of the Holocaust and cultivate a collective responsibility for a more just and tolerant world. As Romania reflects on its history, there's a growing commitment to acknowledging and learning from the dark chapters of the Holocaust. Government initiatives, memorials, and public statements underscore a national dedication to remembrance. By confronting the past, Romania seeks to build a future that rejects hatred, discrimination, and the horrors that once unfolded on its soil. The contemporary landscape in Romania reflects a profound commitment to Holocaust remembrance. Governmental acknowledgement, memorialization efforts, and public discourse highlight a national endeavor to confront the past with honesty and sincerity. Through these initiatives, Romania signals a dedication to fostering a society rooted in awareness, tolerance, and an unwavering commitment to ensuring that the lessons of the Holocaust resonate throughout generations. As we conclude this journey through the Holocaust in Romania, it's imperative to recognize the multifaceted nature of this historical tragedy. From the darkest depths of persecution to the resilience of survivors and the commitment to remembrance, this exploration serves as a testament to the complexity of history. If you found this journey enlightening, please like, share, and subscribe for more historical insights. Together, let us honor the memory of those who suffered and work towards a future free from the shadows of hatred. I'm Davis, thanking you for joining us on Time Vault. Until next time, may the lessons of history guide us towards a world of compassion and understanding.